digital marketing agency and I have all the lead details right over here in my spreadsheet. I want to create a contact in my Privyr account of all these details without even lifting a finger. And not only this, I want that whenever I add the new details, the contact for the same should also be created. So to do this, I'm just going to do 2 clicks. Go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then send all data. You are going to see I have only a single contact right now in this account. But now after doing this, when I'm just going to refresh this, you're going to see multiple contacts are added right over here and the details are exactly the same which we had right over here in our spreadsheet. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of leads or you can create up to 100 of contacts in your Privyr CRM, and yes, this is true. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that you can use this RITYT discount coupon code. Once you try Pabbly Connect, if you like it, then only go on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, new updated spreadsheet row, and click on this connect. Now copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. From here, go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and make sure to install this extension. I have already installed this extension. If you're installing it right now, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. Otherwise, you will not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks in this extensions tab. Once you view the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter your trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send these 4 details towards my webhook URL. So I've kept the trigger column as D. If you want to send 3 details, it will be C. If you want to send 5 details, it will be E, and so on. Now you just have to click on this submit after doing this, and once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. We have successfully created this connection, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, go back towards your spreadsheet and click on this send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the test data right over here. The first row will be sent towards my workflow as test data and you're going to see the details are captured. Now let's create a contact for the same in our Privyr CRM. For that, click on this add new action step, search for Privyr right over here and select the same. After selecting this for the event, select it as create client and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Privyr and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the authentication token. So to get this token, just open your Privyr account. Now you have to go on this automations section. After you come on this automations, go on this all automations and then go on this view all lead sources. Now you have to look for Pabbly Connect right over here. Once you view Pabbly Connect, go on this configure. Once you come on this configure, over here is the authentication token. Just copy and paste it right over here in your workflow. If you want to directly go on this, you can just click on this Pabbly Connect right over here and directly the authentication token will appear. You can directly copy and paste it and then click on this save and your Privyr account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking for the name and the rest of the details. So one by one, I'm just going to enter these details. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. Okay, so I've mapped this name. Now it is asking for the lead source. So over here, I'm just going to keep this as static because this is going to remain same. I'm just going to keep it as ads right over here. For the email, let's just put a slash, map the email. Now for the phone number, let's just put a slash, map the number right over here. Now it is asking me for the keys. So apart from name, email and phone number, if you want to add more details, what you can do is you can switch on this mapping button and enter the keys right over here. Like you say, you have to add city. So you have to type city and automatically the field for the city will appear. You just have to map it. And same goes for the rest of the details. Like you have to put a comma and you have to get age. So just type comma, age, and the fields for that will appear. After you enter all of these details, you can simply click on the save and send test request. If you don't want to enter these details, just switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on the save and send test request. Once you do so, you're going to receive the positive response that yes, this client is successfully created. So let's open our account. Let's just go back, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go on this client section, and yes, a new client is created. I'm just going to open this and you're going to see name, phone, email, lead sources, ads, and the webhook source is Pabbly Connect. Not only this, but now whenever we're going to add the new details right over here, a new contact for the same will also be created because we have switched on this button which is send on event. So if you also want to switch on this, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then switch on this button which is send on event. If you want to create bulk contacts, click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow and the contacts will be created or uploaded in bulk in your account. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying you can definitely get some doubts. Then you can simply post that doubts in the comment section below. My team is going to help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget that the workflow URL and the discount coupon code of this video is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.